Stay tuned and welcome to the Sistership Empire. Empire what?
Community.
Wait, do it again. From strangers to sisters, the birth of SSE.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello beautiful sisters. Welcome to the very first episode of the Sistership Empire podcast. I'm Dian.
And I'm Patty. We are so excited to finally do this together.
And yes, this podcast is for every woman who wants to shift their mindset, their identity, and their life. And we are here to talk about manifestation, spiritual, self-worth, all the things that we always talk about between us.
Yeah, literally the things that we talk about during breakfast, during gym, during dinner, you name it.
And now we are sharing it with all of you how me and Perry met.
Yeah, okay, let's start with the beginning, Dian.
Uh-huh.
Do you remember the first time we met each other?
Actually, we met a long time ago, right?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it was like way back before COVID, like I think
Before
more than
COVID.
5 years ago.
Yeah, actually, we came from a same business, but
Mm.
we're just not
Yeah, we're not close yet
not
because
close
I
yet.
think we're not close because you are staying in Singapore or
Uh-huh.
you're
Yeah.
right. You're
Right.
staying in Singapore and
Yeah,
I'm
correct.
from KL,
Uh-huh.
so we're not really connected at time,
Yeah.
right? Yeah,
And then I moved to KL.
yeah.
No, I moved to JB first,
JB, yes,
and then moved to KL.
Yes.
And then we get close
yes,
as time goes.
yes.
Okay.
It is very it is very strange, you know. Sometimes when you meet someone, you're not connected maybe because of the distance, but when you sit together and you have the commonality when you talk about a subject, and it just click, and then we found out that we have the common interest of talking about what we're talking about today,
Yeah.
right?
Betul?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to speak my bahasa.
Yes, speak your bahasa.
Okay, so I'm from Indonesia actually, but I stay in KL. And Perry,
I am from KL, originally from KL.
ya memang tak terbayangkan sebelumnya.
Mm.
I have a close friend
Mm.
like you, Patty, Malaysian, and Chinese. And ya, saya pun Muslim berhijab gitu kan.
Yeah.
So satu hal yang membuat kita bisa dekat like a family, alhamdulillah, kan?
Yeah,
Like
true.
sisters. That's why we call Sistership Empire. So because we have a common things that we always talk about life. We always talk about mindset. We learn each other, and we like to grow together.
Yes.
Keep learning each other.
Yes.
Mhm.
I think we connected in sense that because the things that she said really inspire me. In life there are so many. There's a lot of things, yeah, a lot of not just things, but normal people will have like problems and
Yeah.
there are a lot of things that you get stuck with, right?
Yeah,
So you need
correct.
to talk to a friend, right? But when you talk to a friend, it has to be the right friend. It so happened that I was talking to her about
Alhamdulillah.
I was talking to her about my problem, and she actually helped me. I mean, I was just expecting like maybe 30 minutes talk. It ended up like 2 hours talk.
Uh-huh.
So it's really special, and I learned from something from her that I adapted, and it really works. And same goes to some of our friends, right?
Yeah, betul. So many time we have experienced that kita tuh selalu jumpa dengan orang-orang yang juga tertarik dengan apa yang kita obrolin.
Yeah,
You got what I mean?
yes.
Obrol is just
Obrol
like
is like-
sembang.
Yeah,
Aha.
with the chit chat, right?
Chit chat.
Yeah.
Misalnya kita lagi ngobrol sesuatu, me and Patty, and then orang yang di samping kita itu sepertinya juga ikut di dalam percakapan itu, dan saat kita tertarik. Jadi saat kita juga sama-sama, for example, kita ada satu topik yang bikin kita kaget, hah, gitu ya.
Yeah.
And then the person also like, hah.
You can rasa macam
Yeah.
The body language. I'm interested in their
Yeah.
conversation. That kind of
Mhm.
feeling. So it's very special that when we talk about a subject, it attracts somebody to actually listen to us, and they get excited with the topic.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we attract the kind of
This kind of people, and we are so grateful for that, because I am so grateful for having Perry in my life as a friend. Patty orang yang sangat-sangat positif, karena not all of people that you meet mereka itu open untuk what you share.
Yeah, betul.
Not everyone like to listen, untuk mengabsorb, mendengar, kemudian mempelajari dan mempraktekkan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari.
Yes.
Like Patty shared just now that masa tu Patty call me
Yeah.
because ya of course lah kita perempuan ada problem kan, but I don't know, it just happened like that. Patty call me and then we talk and then started from that time kita mulai dekat ya.
Yeah.
And then I feel like, oh, I'm so happy because I love to talk to people.
Yes, I think I was looking for someone to talk to, and I know that you are good in law of attraction, and you are, you're good in manifestation, and many times you have experience.
Alhamdulillah,
Experience many things that it really happened on your side, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I was looking for, a I mean, not to say solution, a guidance.
Guidance,
From your experience and how you teach me. You were openly teach me. Of course, I'm very open with the things she said. Even though we don't have the same religion, but I accept what she say, because to me, God is one, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter you're Muslim or you're Buddhist or you're Christian, but the common thing that we learn is we are one. We just have to be neutral,
Ya,
right?
ya.
Yeah.
Dan saat Patty melihat ya, karena kita tuh berteman di satu bisnis ya. Jadi Patty melihat beberapa manifestasi saya. Actually, you know what? The testimony it can increase your belief,
Yeah.
So when you see your friend manifesting this and that, and then you will get inspired because you see with your eyes,
Yes.
kan?
Yeah.
Okay.
You get excited.
Yeah, excited. So started from that, kita tuh selalu ngobrol. We don't care about what happened, right?
Yes.
Kita nggak peduli tentang, bukan berarti kita tak peduli 100% ya, but we really focus on our life, ourselves. So when we meet, we always talk about life, about goals, about spiritual, about everything that can add value to ourselves.
True.
And then started from that, we started to attract people that want to transform.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because what we see is what we attract.
Yeah.
Ken. So I think it started from there, and it and it comes to the point where we're here and we are doing the first podcast, and we're enjoying it to share with you guys. The lovely ladies here in in the world, that there's a space for you to actually grow.
The space that's safe for you to get inspired, because we understand banyak tipe orang di dunia ini. Ada yang introvert, ada extrovert, ada yang mau belajar keluar ya, seminar ya, ikut webinar, seminar, or apapun itu. Ada yang they just want to learn from YouTube, like podcast maybe. Satu hal lagi yang membuat kita punya ide untuk membuat this podcast adalah karena kita started help. When we help this person, we didn't realize that we helped her, right?
Yeah.
She suddenly just changed after she listened what we talk about.
Yeah.
And the transformation, the perubahan itu is very drastic.
I couldn't believe it myself, because everyone result is different. Your manifestation may take a week, some can take 2 weeks, some can take 6 months. I experienced it myself, but everyone is different.
Correct.
So this person that we are talking about it's really amazing. She in 2 months, or
I think less than 2
less
months.
than 2 months.
A month.
Yeah.
From zero to
from zero to I was shocked myself.
Yeah, me too. It should be us transform, So long story short, started from this one friend, and then two friends, 4 friends, and then 8, and then we started to thinking that how if we can develop this number from 8 to 80 to 800, 8,000, because
That's
we
true.
just love to do this, right?
And I think it is something that it's so special, that why don't we share it?
Ya, betul.
Betul tak?
And this podcast actually one of Patty's goals.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah.
it was one of my goal many years. Like I was like thinking I want to start a podcast, but I don't know how. I was scared to start until I met her. She also wanted to do this, and we just do it together.
Yeah.
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 I'm
That's nice.
just happy that it worked. I guess 2026 will be something different for us, right?
On something different for our community. We really want to build a tribe, our community that support each other. It's not just like talk,
Yeah,
tapi
true.
betul-betul implement to their life, transform their life. So, and also, yeah, as you see, this is our style, and you can understand my language. We believe that a lot of Indonesian here in Malaysia too that does have the same language with me. It doesn't have to be perfect, right?
Yeah, betul.
Yeah. So, Betty, you know why I don't started my podcast? Because I think that semuanya harus sempurna. I have to have a good public speaking,
Yeah,
kan?
betul.
And then I have to have this, that, and then wait, and then now been so many years.
I think because it's the fear of being perfect.
Yeah.
Right.
Correct.
So I think was our first time. I think we're doing good. Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing good. We hope that we can share as much as we can to help you to get inspired that you are not alone. Anda
Yes.
tidak sendiri, and anything for the next, we will have our retreat, our event, and everything. This is only the first episode. This is only the beginning, and we will have the episode 2.
Yes, episode 2. It's coming up, and it's gonna be hot, and it's gonna be so exciting. Okay, the story is gonna be amazing. It's gonna inspire all of you.
Yeah.
We can't wait for the second one.
Yeah. The second one is about our first manifestation.
Our first manifestation. Yes.
For you that new for this topic, the law of attraction, the universal law, sunnatullah, manifestation. Manifestation actually is about how to make what is in your head come true into your reality. Proses mewujudkan doa menjadi kenyataan. So we will share that because of what? Because everyone has their goals, but mungkin mereka tidak tahu bagaimana cara yang efektif untuk mewujudkan doa itu, untuk mewujudkan goals itu. So, we will share here apa-apa doa Peti yang terkabul, apa-apa manifestasi saya yang juga menjadi kenyataan, sehingga itu membuat Anda yakin kalau tidak ada yang tidak mungkin di dunia ini.
That's something is very valuable, guys. What she said is, this friend of ours, and she actually applied what she taught about the prayers, right? And it really happened in 1 month. Okay, so this is something that you guys want to learn from her, especially she is amazing. Okay,
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
And we will share it for free for you because we just want to contribute to this world.
Yes.
Oke, thank you. Itu saja episode pertama kami, perkenalan dari saya Dian.
And I'm Patty. Stay tuned and welcome to the Sister Shift Empire community.
From sisters to leaders, from dreams to empire.